Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna clean up our master bedroom, which looks like a disaster zone. I'm not very proud of it, but things just accumulate when you have totally dependent infant and toddler at home. So I decided to give it a shot today and do a mega cleaning. During the cleaning process I also did some DIYs, which I will show you in a different video. I couldn't include them in this video because I didn't want to make an hour-long video. If you are new here, it's so nice to have you here. Please hit the subscribe button before your way out so that you won't miss any of my videos. This brilliantly messy room is in fact a lot of work, so anyway, wish me luck. So first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed before anything else. I read somewhere that if your bed is made properly, then you are more efficient and you can get more work done. I love this little pillow. These double-side sequins are so cool. I can make anything I like according to the season and occasion. The rule I normally follow is to separate items by different categories. That will make your life easier for sure. Today I want to follow the same rule, but I don't know, I'm kind of overwhelmed by the amount of work I have to do. Well, I will try as much as I can. I will separate the cushions first, then the pillowcases and bed covers. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but we have like more bedsheets than we will ever use, and I think we have too much and I don't wanna know what I'm gonna do with them. Maybe I need to think about some DIYs. This yoga mat is from when I was pregnant with this guy. I hardly used it. I was extremely active, but I wasn't sure which yoga positions were, safe during pregnancy. So I consciously avoided any complication. I just keep it under the bed, just in case, There are some washed laundry on the floor, but I think I'm gonna just throw them in the washing machine again for now. They were on the floor anyway. I love this TV stand, which we bought around a year ago from American Furniture Warehouse. First, I'm using a microfiber car wash sponge to clean up the stubborn dusts. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take a microfiber cloth and clean up the surface once again for better result. I did not check the drawers for a very long time. I don't even know what I kept there. I think I will leave the drawer organizing thing for now. Maybe when I will have some time. More stuff in here. Luckily they are in same categories, so it will be easy for me to keep them in right place. I swear guys, I am constantly cleaning and it gets messy every time I check. God knows how. I am using a plastic bag to collect all the junks. It's easier that way and I don't have to walk around with the bin. Now there are plenty of things I don't use anymore and I am finding them more and more. I don't know why they're still there, but anyway, that's why cleaning is important. My husband made this voltage converter when we moved from Australia. Now we have a compact one and we don't use it anymore, so it gotta go. I don't remember at what point I decided to turn the curtain outside in and forgot to fix it, but things like this adds up and eventually your room looks like a war zone. To clean the blinds, I am using that same microfiber car wash sponge. I am cleaning one side first and then the reverse side. I don't know, no matter how much I clean that window from inside, the glass looks still dirty. Probably because of the amount of dirt it collects from the outside. It is really hard to clean the outside as this room is in the second floor. I think I need to call up a professional for this. Now I am just cleaning up some extra kid stuff. I tell you guys, one day kids' toys will conquer the house and we will have to live in a tent. If you were a parent, you know what I meant by that. Now this trick I learned from a TV show. They were cleaning real animals' fur. It was about taxidermy. So I thought maybe I can clean my artificial flowers like that, and it really worked. Hair dryer will blow away all the loose dust. Then use a microfiber cloth for the remaining tiny dusts. I'm sure people out there must have been using this technique for a long time, but this is new for me and it's working. I was not sure where to put this white fur. Then, I decided to keep it on this bed board because if my babies jump on the bed, this will protect them from bumping their head. And it looks good too. I cleaned up the dresser and my little one just woke up and had his food. Now he is just curious what mom has been doing all day. If you already watched my previous video about dresser organization, then you will probably notice that the dresser is already looking different. I did some DIYs and I will show you in a new video how I did all that. I can't include that in here because of the time limit, but you get the idea. So my cleaning and organization is almost done. Only thing left is to organize the drawers, and I will show you in my new video how I'm gonna organize my drawers. Till then the floor looks clean. Oh, and I forgot to film that I also vacuumed after I cleaned up the whole place. The bedroom is looking so much better now. I'm so happy right now and can't wait to clean up rest of the house. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Please comment below and let me know if this video inspired you anyway. Again, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, please take a minute to click because I'm coming with a new video next week and you don't want to miss it, right? Till then, stay well and enjoy. Bye.